Then we twist, make an ice cream cone. And then now we put in the boiling water.
Did you die?
So today, come with me. You're gonna find the most important thing for cooking today. Come here. So those are the dried bamboo leaves. I have to soak it overnight. No big bucket in my house, so I soak this in my sink. Let's come here. The color turns out great. It was so dry, look at now. When you soak in the water, the color comes back like magic. Or if you don't have a bucket or a sink, just soak in your bathtub. Bamboo leaves floating around like aromatherapy for you. Let's start wrapping. You go back, sit over there. So I show you how to wrap this. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. 粽子 today. Dragon Boat Festival, we eat 粽子. So it's the 5th day of the 5th month in Lunar calendar. So there are so many different kind of variety. This one is vegan, so it's just red beans, sticky rice, and some sugar. Really easy to make. And how my circus eat this. This is the one soaked overnight right here. You can see the dry one's really hard. The soaked beans, like smash them really easily. Here's sticky rice I soaked overnight. When we drain the rice, clean bowl. So while you're chatting with me, why don't you just sit down here, sit in front of me, watch me cooking. I give you a dumpling in the end. I have an exciting announcement in the end. My new big decision. Get rid of the water. Mix in. I need some sugar. Oh, thank you. Give a little flavor, not really sweet. I measure for you with my Chinese eyeballs. If you're first time here, first time heard this, leave a comment below here. Let me know. See, that's enough. We mix this. I think I'm gonna become an Ashmere channel. A little bit baking soda. You don't have to add this. I think this gives a better, smoother texture. Smoother side, the back side. 2 bamboo leaves, the smoother side up. Cut the bottom. This side is for the rice. Then we twist, make an ice cream cone. Make sure the tip is sealed. Otherwise, your rice try to escape from the bottom. Instead of ice cream, we put rice and beans in here. My grandma trick, poke with your chopstick, just one, and stuff all the way to the tip. We fill about 90%, not all the way. Still need some room to wrap. Poke, poke, poke. And we press. Fold it on both sides, and we fold over. Ooh. Wrap it over like a gift. I leave it longer so we can tie everything together. Little triangle like a Christmas ornament. So I tied each one together. Then now we put in the boiling water. Make sure all the zhongs under water. Once you put them in, we will turn the heat down. Just let them boil little bubbles for an hour and a half. Finally, I'm glad you're still here. Look at my clock, it's like 2:26 in the morning. It's been an hour and a half. I waited, have spider web here. Must be. So let's eat this. Oh, hot, hot, hot. You know, smell this fresh bamboo. Which one do you want to try? How about this one? Here. Cut it for you. Ooh, this one looks so cute. Just cut this. Unwrap. Look at the triangle shape here. You try the tip. So soft, sticky. It's not sweet at all. In Sichuan, we dip in the sugar. You can sprinkle on some too. It's morning, 2:35. Good morning. Breakfast is ready. Hello, hello. This one is for you. Little bit sugar. So good. So don't leave. Let's see what my circus is gonna say about this. Today is the day Chinese mom does. Every time call your kids for dinner, take a deep breath. 吃饭啦！吃甜品啦！
Julia, string. Subscribe. Subscribe.
看粽子。
Did you die?
哎，你慢点。不要停。
Yummy. What's inside? Oh my god. Ready to eat string? We're not eating the string. Then why is there string there? To wrap it around.
对啊，这样就不会垮了那叶子。哦，哎，不能吃叶子。哎呦，把你这个盘子拿过来，给你分一下。你看，打开，里边是不是跟糯米鸡差不多？你觉得吃糯米鸡？啊 ？Piece。啊，不要吃，不能吃绳子。You're using the string.
Yeah, that was noodles. That's the string was noodles. So I was about to eat noodles. Sugar, 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 sugar. Let's have a bucket of sugar.
好，一点点，尝一下。哎，
Wow, I got a bunch of sugar.
好了，吃吧，尝一下豆子。哎，甜，有甜糖啊。
I have meatloaf. Guys, eat rice with sugar. Put a happy face if you like sugar with
看
rice.
吃一口啊，是不是？
I'm breaking it.
好了。
有头啊！
好不好吃？怎么在地上？快起来！哎呦，快点，把他踢到了，快起来，不要踢他的椅子。看我这个裤子，我要从你身上。
端午节快乐！
端午节。
我端了节。
端午节。
我端了节。
不是我端午节，就端午节
快乐。
对，端午节快乐。
端午节好快乐。
I always eat kids' leftovers.
Sugar. If you subscribe, you have fantastic day. If you subscribe, she's yours. And then you get to eat our food. So if you subscribe, mom is yours. Or subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'll dare you to something. I dare you to buy your friend a dog.
Everyone.
I dare you to subscribe.
啊，又来了，好，再见了。So everyone, happy Dragon Ball Festival， 端午节快乐。We will see you
in heaven.
See you in my next video, right? Another big news I'm gonna announce is we are moving to Orlando. If you live in the area, let me know. Maybe I give you a little cup of my 16-year-old pickle brine. So you start your pickle jar pretty fast. Thanks for watching and stay up late with me. And let me know what you want to see me cook next. Because you watch my videos, so I always have the energy to stay up late. It's so good to see you here every time. Leave me a comment or like my video. That's the motivation. Keep me going. So thank you being here with me. 端午节快乐! Happy Dragon Festival!